may recognize her voice in...
Morning voice. By request.
Can we hear your radio voice, Katz, and introduce yourself?
The hits all day on 99.5 Play FM. My name is Katz, and you're tuned in to First Thing in the Morning.
Yes!
Getting hot in here.
Ally, on the other hand, she's a country marketing manager for Sweet Escape. Katz is the star of my
Instagram stories for the month of November.
Somebody told me kanina, oh my God, ikaw pala yun? Yung nasa Instagram.
Yung gumaganon-ganon.
Yung mga boys! Lokohin niyo ako! My bachelorette experience with the girls. We were 13 girls total. We went to Bali. It was the most ultimate girl bonding trip ever.
A lot of the girls had just really hung out together for the first time, which is usually kind of like difficult for some girls, I guess.
Yeah, sometimes you don't know if you're really gonna mesh well.
Yeah.
Which was so good in Bali because we were basically like forced to really get to know each other. And, and luckily it turned out, oh my God, we all like each other.
We all were just worried that what if we didn't get along?
But obviously I didn't have any apprehensions because I knew
you
that
know all of us.
everybody, I knew everybody individually, and I knew in my heart that everybody would totally get along. Ally, what was your highlight of the trip?
That's when we got hurt!
Bagay na bagay sa'yo.
Yeah, like I was really like, no, we have to go out every night. This is a bachelorette.
After 11 months of no drinking, I took my first shot of alcohol.
There's a video clip of both me and B.
Yeah,
drinking from the bottle.
Yeah,
that's commitment.
When it was gone wild.
That was the moment when I knew it was gonna be a party.
If we were to give like bullet points or guidelines on how to spot a potential good friend and how to nurture that friendship, like let's all give like one point.
I have one. When I talk to someone, you know naman when they're really intently listening to you or they're just waiting for their chance to speak.
Yeah.
So that they can hear themselves speak. And so me kasi since radio, I guess, I really listen because, you know, we don't want to talk over each other. You don't want to repeat the topics.
Like if the person is actually paying attention to you.
That's a good one. Significant common interests. That helps also because you get to do stuff together. Small things that kind of knit us together. Find people that you share common interests with. And then make plans with them.
Yeah. I think you know they're gonna be a potentially good friend if they reach out to you to do things.
Yeah, if they plan with you.
Yeah. It's true, you're never too busy for the people you actually care about, right? You might be busy, but it doesn't stop you from reaching out to at least say, I'm sorry I've been so busy, right?
Saying like, pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, may dahilan.
Yes, with everything. With everything.
No kind of way.
It's been really easy to make friends with people who radiate genuineness. You can feel naman when they're trying to be your friend and they genuinely are interested in the things that you're interested in. These girls surprised me with a dance number.
I was just thinking, I mean, everybody likes to dance. Sam is entertained by dancing. We need an excuse to dance. Let's make a dance!
My favorite footage was...
changes.
My favorite footage was the footage of you guys practicing even like months before the wedding.
And just like life na walang manual, walang guidebook, wala rin akong guidebook, kaya si Sam mag-review kung anong natutunan niya.
We're not driving with Sambie!
Teka lang!
Brace yourselves! Okay.
Teka lang. Okay, wait.
So, let's...
Ano ba yung kotse, girl?
Teka lang.
It's been a while.
You know,
When was the last time we drove?
Tagal na, maybe like 7 months, 6 months. Find 2 cars that are reasonably far apart and then parallel park. By the way guys, kotse niya to, so pwede niyang banggain ito.
Being driven by someone who doesn't really drive.
Kasi nakapark ka pa.
sorry, it's my car, but I've never driven it yet, so this is the first.
Go, you can make your left turn na. Oh, akala ko left. Di ba perfect square? Nag-left.
What do you mean perfect square?
Around the block.
Around the block, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was focusing, guys.
Oh, sige, well, pick now. Are you gonna make 2 rights or 2 left?
I'm going to make 2 lefts.
Okay, make
You have to be,
Conviction!
I'm making 2 lefts. I'm driving at the rate and speed of house hunting speed. Yung proronda ka sa village pero tumitingin-tingin.
Kaya ang bagal-bagal mo lang.
or naghahanap ka ng number.
When did you start teaching Sam how to drive?
Oh my god, in like early 2017, I think. Okay, Sam, can you park in between these two cars? And get the car as close to the curb as possible. Maybe like a foot away. Kaya ba? Would you remember how to do this? Check your mirrors, especially the one on the right. And now you're gonna turn your wheel to the right, and the bum of the car is gonna go closer to the curb, to the side of the road. And then when you feel like the butt of the car is close enough to the side of the road, stop and then turn your wheel the other way. There. And then, no, still on reverse.
Still on reverse.
Still on reverse, yep.
And then
The car now is gonna straighten out into the curb.
car behind you.
Yeah, but far.
Yeah,
Very
but
far.
I think you still need to stick your bum to the side of the road.
More
So,
back?
yeah, stop first and then turn your wheel all the way to the right. Yep. And then just keep backing into the curb. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, and then from there, now turn your wheel to the left. And then,
This girl.
back in to the curb. There you go. When the car is straight, stop again. Okay, stop.
Oh,
Now straighten your wheel. Turn
Oh,
turn to
baliktad.
the right and one more. Nope, too much.
No, there.
That's straight. Yep.
And then
And then just try like reversing straight ng konti. There, just so you know your wheels are straight. Done. Park. Okay, now it's Katz's turn to drive.
Okay.
Okay, since Katz is driving and we're now safe.
No.
This is the first time we're playing this game. It's called Chain Song. The first person is going to sing a line from a song and then is going to stop at a certain word, and then the next person has to sing a line of a song that has that word.
Okay.
One kiss is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I think I'm all you need.
Do I need a reason to tell you why I'm singing you this song? Do I need a reason to show you why?
Why tell him that it's human nature? But it
Three.
sounds like
Oh.
you make me feel like a
Natural woman.
Okay, I'm every woman.
Yeah.
It's all in me.
Hit me, baby, one more time. Ooh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know?
Brain
Go! I'm so happy it's you.
Okay.
So can you explain what she just did?
she parked butt first.
By shooting her ass in the hole.
In the hole.
Yeah.
For the
Car
butt
ass
in the hole
Butt
parking
in the hole.
method.
Butt in the hole. Butt in the hole.
But
Since we ended the note with butt in the hole, I think that Ally needs to wiggle her butt from that coconut tree to the other tree and do a wiggle butt dance across the street.